Close your eyes and imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The warm glow of dusk bathes everything in golden hues, and the gentle waves move in a soothing rhythm. In your hand, you hold a glass sphere, capturing the light and beauty of the surroundings. As you gaze into the sphere, you notice it reflects the world around you and yourself. Take a deep breath in and out, letting the calmness of this moment embrace you completely. The ocean before you stretches infinitely, mysterious and full of life. It reminds you of the vastness and possibilities of existence. Hold the glass sphere in your hands and imagine it absorbing all your thoughts and worries. With each breath, you release more, allowing everything you no longer need to flow into the sphere. The sphere grows heavier while your heart feels lighter. Now, visualize yourself gently releasing the sphere into the ocean. It floats away with the waves, carrying all your burdens. Feel a deep trust rising within you, allowing yourself to surrender to the flow of life. As you watch the ocean, you sense a profound connection, not just to the sea, but to something greater. Like the ocean, you are a mystery, deep and full of secrets. The glass sphere has shown you that the world reflects within you, that you are part of this infinite whole. Breathe deeply and imagine the ocean's energy flowing into you, calming and energizing you at the same time. With each inhale, you draw in this energy, feeling it circulate through your body, filling you with a sense of unity and peace. Let yourself be carried by this feeling, knowing you are part of life's grand mystery. The sun nears the horizon, and the soft glow of dusk wraps the world in quiet stillness. You take one last look at the ocean and feel light, free, and connected. You now understand that life, like the ocean, is a mystery, full of depth, beauty, and change. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment with a sense of trust and peace. You are ready to embrace life with all it brings.